All right, so today, special thanks to this company for sending me a set of their low voltage landscape spotlights. This is a 6-pack of these lights. It's kind of an example of what you could use them for, what they'd look like in the ground. 3 watts each, 300K, 30,000 hours, -4 to 100 to 104 degrees, extra long cable, and IP67 waterproof. So special thanks to the company for sending these again. Let's open them up and see what is exactly in here. So instruction manual right on top, company name. Looks like this is all one strand. Ah, okay, so the cable, the power cable is 26 feet, and then there's, okay, so 8 in 1, 4 in 1. So then there's 26 feet of power cable, and then 10 feet between each of these lights. Well, ours is actually the 6 in 1, so ours is a total of 75 feet. So very interesting thing here. Let's see if I can get these out, really look at them. All right, so down in the bottom here is all of our posts to go in the ground. They included an Allen wrench. That's pretty nice. That's it for the box essentially. But there is what they look like, the little spotlights. And it seems this just kind of can be put right onto there. That's what the Allen wrench is for. And then yeah, this gives you a spotlight on the outside of your house. But we'll have to try to run this and hook it up. This looks like the main power cable here, which can run into this. So you see you've got all these watertight connectors here. 6 lights on this though, tons of wire here. Let's try to get this pulled out and get it actually outside, and we'll try to get it in the ground and see what they look like. This comes with a little Allen wrench, as you saw, and the reason is to stick these in the ground when you're ready to permanently put these in the ground and not temporary like me for a video really quick. You got to undo that screw and then put this, and you know, this goes here, and then you put the screw back through, and you know, it makes a stake. I'm not going to deal with all that because I'm literally making this video for 5 seconds to show you guys how bright these lights are. And the brightness isn't going to change whether I take the 20 minutes to unscrew all these and put these on or not. And so this little cable here, I believe I can use to extend this, because this is like a foot, if even that. So let's check it and see. And my assumption was correct. You can see that's a female side, that's a male side, and this plug has a female side and a male side. So I'll be able to put this in between this to give me even more cable. This is a good bit of cable. Let's see how much it is. So fast. All right, so we have them all lined up. You see this one's up, this one's knocked over, but we're gonna make sure they're all facing the house. And you can see there's some extra cable here and here. Definitely a ton of cable for this thing. So you'd be able to really stretch it around your house with how long the cable is that plugs in, and including all these, it would reach very, very far. So as soon as it gets dark, we're gonna make sure these are all facing. We'll plug it in and show you exactly how bright it is. All right, so we have them all lined up. And now my beautiful queen, who I'm blinding probably, is gonna go in and plug it in. We'll see how bright they are. Sorry for all the fireworks, but so she's gonna plug this in and we'll see how bright it gets. Whoa, look at that. Wow, so there's 3 over here. You can see those 3 are almost on the same spot. 1, 2, 3. This one is kind of facing at the door. That one's facing there, and that one's facing over there. Yeah, this is lit up. Like, I almost wish this was at the front of our house. But I think these look astonishing. If you have a way to run all this wire and plug it in outside, I think these would be great. They would even be better paired with some smart home switch to cut them on and off as you want, or on and off as a schedule. But these are really bright, really nice, stretched out in front of a house. They would look absolutely amazing. So I think that will do it for this video. Hope you've liked it. See you in the next one. Deuces.